Let's make an easy, spicy or khara wheat dosa which can be had as a meal or a snack any time of the day. Hello dear friends and welcome to Kitchen Compass. Here I've taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of curd. For the masala, here I've taken 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger and garlic, about 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 green chillies finely chopped and a few curry leaves. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. I'm adding ghee. As the ghee turns hot, add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add in the chopped ginger, garlic, green chillies, onion and curry leaves. Add a pinch of salt, just enough for the masala, and saute them well for a few minutes. The onions have sauteed well enough. Turn off the flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek powder and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Into the wheat flour, add in salt as needed. Add in the sauteed masala and mix well. Add in 2 tablespoons of curd and mix. Gradually add water, mixing well with a spoon or whisk to get a lump-free batter, having a consistency of a dosa batter. I've added approximately 1 3/4 cups of water. Add in the chopped coriander leaves and set the batter aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Just before preparing the dosa, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. To make the dosas, heat a dosa tawa. Grease the tawa if required. Once the tawa is hot, keep the flame to the lowest and pour in a ladle of batter and spread. Increase the flame to medium and cook the dosa. You may add a little ghee or oil. Once one side is done, you may flip it over and cook on the other side for a minute or two. When done, take it off the tawa and continue making the remaining dosas. If the dosa tawa is too hot, maintain the heat of the tawa by splashing a little water or wiping with a wet cloth. If the tawa is very hot, it will be difficult to spread the dosa. This is especially important while making wheat dosas on an iron tawa. Continue making all the dosas. You can make variations to the masala and spices added to the dosa. These dosas are very tasty and can be had without a side dish. It tastes best when hot. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.